What's going on? What's up? What's happening?
Nick, that I saw is the open. If we're close to a higher time-based liquidity, let's say Asia or London, we really tend to go and sweep it. The closer we are, let's say it's like 925, we will open higher towards that liquidity pool usually.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
however, the line that you have on your chart there, that's Asia high, not London. London is lower. London is at.
I see 2 a.m. London high here.
But 2 a.m. is not London. London market opens at 3 a.m. So that's the Asia
EST?
high. Yep, that's the Asia high there. The London high is at 225, like 25,225.
Yeah, you're being serious.
I'm being serious, yeah.
London session doesn't open at 2.
No, London's not open.
No, but
London opens at 3.
You don't consider 2 a.m. being the London high.
No.
So I consider the what is it?
That's Asia high for me because the market
2 a.m.
in London,
to 5 a.m.
The market in London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern.
You may be right, but like I always view 2 a.m. as London, 2 to 5 a.m.
I didn't want to confuse you, man. I'm just saying, London Stock Exchange.
I'm telling you, when I learned ICT, for me, 2 a.m. to 5 is London session. All right, and what is it? Yeah, and like 7 to 10 is Asia. Of course, it opens at 6, but
the chat is going crazy right now.
Who thinks?
Chat is going crazy.
London session starts at 2.
Here's the thing, Amos. 2 a.m. Eastern is Frankfurt open. That's the German market. 3 a.m. is London open. That is when the London Stock Exchange opens. So I wouldn't consider 2 a.m. London high if the market opens at 3.
You're right.
Doesn't make any sense to me.
If ICT says that the London high is 2 a.m.
then I don't give a shit about what he says. That's how you know. Oh man.
I also posted a tweet.
That's some perfect rage bait right there.
Yeah, exactly. We don't give a shit about.
Look, we never get that much engagement in the chat. Here you go, easy.
I posted a tweet yesterday. I was like, yeah, I need at least I need to impression farm a little bit because I was in Miami. I wasn't tweeting too much, and I said ICT is the greatest mentor to ever walk this earth. Who in this chat believes what I just said, believes my tweet, and who in this chat absolutely disagrees with that tweet?
You know, I love what Ozempic just said. ICT means I can't time zone. This is great.
I can't trade also. A lot of people say that.
This is funny.
I mean, the cult behind ICT is just insane. Like, as soon as you say something, oh my god, you're getting
yeah, that's always how it is.
Hopped on. Yeah.
That's always how it is. But for me, I said London high and Asia high are two separate things right now, but they're very close. They're 10 points apart. So I agree with your idea. That 100% sure. So let's see what happens. Market open is in.
You see, okay. Let me tell you the reason. Let me tell you the real reason why. For me, I call it the London high. It's because if it's a 4-hour high, this is usually what you want to target. It's the 4-hour candle's high or low. And in this case, if the 4-hour candle that starts at 2 a.m. and closes at 6, so 5:59 and 59 seconds, this is for me the London session in a sense. But let's say Also, it's basically just looking at 4-hour candles and 4-hour liquidity pools.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's basically it. Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
The market open is in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oh, I can't wait. Today, I get to say what Matt usually gets to say. I'm not going to be as good as him, nowhere close, but I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, the trend line is about to break here. That big ass trend line from October 29th. Let's see. 1 minute. Odie, is today a half day? I think today the market closes at 4 p.m., if I'm not mistaken. Eastern. But here's the thing, like, we're going to be on until 11 a.m., so for 1.5 hours from now. Because afterwards, I think liquidity is just going to dry off.
It's going to die.
Yup.
Who thinks this Ferrari gap's going to hold and create new highs at 9:30?
The 4-hour bullish one? The one that was respected?
No, this 1 minute gap that just got created at 9:29. Are we going to open high from this?
All right, we're about to open here.
Looks like it wants to.
Let's freaking go.
Got 10 seconds left. All right, chat. Let's get ready in 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, motherfuckers. Hell yeah. Oh, that's fun.
Let's go.
So 235.75 is the Asia high. Let's see if we take that out. It looks like it. I'm now gonna put such.
Say it again.
Like, I'm gonna put such a heavy focus on Asia high.
Oh my god, we talked about it for like 10 minutes. He's like, yeah, guys, again, the 2 a.m. high is the Asia high, and
I can't time zone. That's what ICT means.
oh my days.
This is
All right,
great.
type 1 if you think 2 a.m. is the London high. Type 2 if you think it's the Asia high.
Well, if you type
I just want to know.
1, you're just retarded. 25,240. Okay, we took it out. We took it out.
1, let's go. Come on.
Yeah. Blah blah.
Let's
It
go.
doesn't make sense. It does not make sense.
Yeah. We have some people who knows ball here. They know ball.
Fact is, I agree with the 4-hour candle theory. That for sure. That's for sure. All right. Yeah, Marco making Mario. All right, this trend line is breaking. This trend line is breaking. Could this be the start of going back to all-time highs? Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I would want to see this 15-minute candle close strongly above the high here. That Asia high.
By the way, Trader Maku, no, I do not hate ICT, not at all. I just don't give a shit about the brand or the person or whatever. I like the concepts, yeah, that's for sure. But not thinking that he came up with it. Those concepts have been around for a long time. And also what I like even more is engagement. So thank you.
Hamas would have been more profitable if he knew London open properly. You're right, bro.
All right, so what are you looking at right now?
To be honest, I just want this 15-minute candle to tell me the story. If it's gonna close above this 4-hour high, or if it's gonna sweep the high and close back inside the range. We will and just knowing NQ in general at the open, we will most likely run back towards the daily high here and have enough fuel by sweeping this high to go and tap 310, in my opinion. So it is going to be a question of, are we going to close above that daily high so I could take a continuation play at the close of that candle? If not, then I'll just potentially look for some sort of range to be formed and then look for a clear entry. For now, it's really hard to say what price is gonna do. It will be predicting if I enter right now. So I want to react. I want to see how that candle closes. Is it closing back inside the range, or is it closing above the previous candle's high and the liquidity pool above us?
I have a fun giveaway idea.
Tell
Random
me.
thought.
Tell me.
I'm gonna stop my treadmill right now,
Need to
okay.
focus.
and I'm gonna restart it here in a second. And chat, you get to guess throughout the entire stream. You get to guess how many steps I take until 10:55. Actually, until 10:45. So
10:40
an hour and 11 minutes from now. You guess how many steps exactly I take. You don't have to put it in the chat right now. I'm gonna create a Google form where you put it in, and whoever is the closest gets 100K Lightning funded account. Starting it right now, and we are off. Okay, I'm pretty sure there will be one person, at least one person, that counts my steps now.
Someone's literally gonna be full focused on the steps rather than the stream.
And you know, sometimes I will just increase my speed and then decrease it again.
To be honest, yeah, that definitely sounds worth it. It's like
True.
an account worth like 400 some bucks just to count steps for 1 hour.
It's true.
I
I'm just
mean,
gonna confuse people. I'm just gonna increase the speed really quick.
we're gonna start. We're gonna see him run at a certain point.
Wait, the treadmill doesn't go that fast. Wait. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. I'm
Do you
running a
use
bit
it?
now.
You use it every single day?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm gonna walk for an hour and 10 minutes, chat, and then we're gonna see whoever's the closest. All right. So the 1 minute, kind of making a pullback to Asia high, London high.
Yeah.
I mean, the next really important level for me that I'm looking at is previous month mid. We almost touched it. That's the 50% equilibrium of the monthly candle, 25,278. That is also, by the way, if you zoom out a bit, go to a higher time frame a month, that is also where the crazy move to the downside started on
Come on.
Thursday, 20th.
Yeah, there is gonna be a big reaction, in my opinion, at 76. Like that order
so,
block
too.
here, that wick. Oko said, walking on the treadmill won't give you an Amos body. Oko, did you see Nick? I was so surprised. He is in incredible shape. He definitely is.
Nick S?
Now, both of you guys.
Well, you too.
Yeah, thank you, but you guys are in incredible shape, actually. Nick, I would say Nick S is he just has that bodybuilder kind of.
Dude, Nick S
build. He's just too. He's big.
He's a
big.
fucking tank.
He is big. Like he went in the jet ski and I was pushed back immediately, like double my size. But I like you have like that I would say athletic body. This is kind of what I'm leaning a little bit more to have.
Honestly, from the parkour days, that's where it
Nice.
started.
That's
Yesterday I did my first high rocks training, and I think with that, like high rocks, CrossFit, etc., that is where you get that real athletic body. Like it was crazy. These are actually useful muscles.
So like it's like CrossFit.
Yeah, it's kind of similar. It's similar to CrossFit.
Is it like
Damn.
like you have a timer and you need to do multiple kind of okay, I see.
Yep.
So there's competitions of that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
There are. Ooh, big drop.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're seeing that 15-minute candle close back inside the range.
That was an 80-point drop.
Yeah. That's huge, actually. Amos, are you a college dropout? Really good question. I only have, so I'm 22. and I did around 24 courses in uni, so college. So I have 1 semester left to do.
Hey Russell, you're getting the 5-minute ban hammer for that comment.
What did he
Congrats.
say?
Congrats.
No, you gotta tell me what he said.
Can't wait. I can put it in the background chat.
Put it.
I'm not gonna say it loud on stream. Look at today's live chat in the TTV live.
Let me see that.
Saw it. But you must understand, this guy is always in my London session trolling, and he always gets the ban hammer. Chad, did you take any trades yet? Anybody?
Still waiting. We
Yeah,
got
Marco
the
Minamaro, you know
scalp
by now.
not doing so well. We're just getting jacked here.
Oh, by the way, we hit the like goal for the first giveaway. Damn. Let me think how we're gonna do this.
Oh, we gotta flatten this bad boy. Should
Okay,
we?
chat. First giveaway, we're gonna do a 50k growth account. For this one, you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna send a link to a Google form here in a second. You have to fill out that Google form, but only do it once. I'm gonna paste it in the chat multiple times, but if you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. So fill it out once. Here you go. And then we're gonna do Wheel of Names. Pick a random winner. If anybody asks where the Google form is, you will get the ban hammer. Let's see. Oh, Lulu, nice. You get a ban hammer. 10-second ban. Let's see how many people
And
participate.
I would love to do a London stream with you guys.
Hey, get up and let's do it.
Yeah, I would have to. So
I
it's
mean-
from. When is it? Is it like 2:15?
No, from 3 a.m. London Open Eastern time.
I was gonna tell you, it's like if the stream starts at 2 and you the stream is called London Session. Okay, so it's 3.
It's
All
3.
right.
That's when London opens. I tell you.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, 3 to 4.
See what we got going on here.
Like 30.
3 to
Is the
4:30.
close gonna
we go
happen?
For 1.5 hours.
Is it not gonna happen?
Hey Patrick,
have
that's
to-
exactly what I'm doing.
It would have to be on a Friday if I come.
Hey, let's do it.
It would have to be on a Friday.
Let's
But
do
then
it.
I would need the next day to, get me back on track.
Alright. Lift the trader. No, there's multiple options. You can just only see the one that really speaks to you, in that form. You can only see the one that is right for you. Alright. Nasdaq still holding the 200s.
The chat is crazy.
All right, road. I live in Lucerne, Switzerland.
Still waiting. Still waiting. See what we got
Gozo,
going on.
that is a similar comment to where is it? You want to get a 10-second ban? No, I'm not going to give you a ban. Well, use the at name for the forum.
Do you celebrate Thanksgiving?
Me?
Yeah.
No, we don't have that in Switzerland.
Okay.
We don't have that.
What's going on, guys? It is Thanksgiving.
What's like the thing that you celebrate the most, but not, let's say.
We're
not
gonna
New
try and
Year's.
get this going.
In Switzerland in general, you mean?
Yeah.
I mean the national day is 1st of August. It's kind of like 4th of July, but
Okay.
Swiss version.
Yeah. Guess it's July 1st in Canada.
So it's all pretty close. July 1st, July 4th, and August 1st. Hey, Christopher, you were in Lucerne? Nice. Nice. All right, let's pick a winner. So I'm not able to share my screen. You know what? I am able to share my screen. It's just going to lag a bit, but it doesn't really matter.
Unless you're not celebrating things. I'm celebrating everything. As soon as there like
I'm also celebrating life.
Something to celebrate. Yeah, exactly. I celebrate life at every single moment.
All right. I'm going to copy everybody over to the Wheel of Names, and then the winner gets a 50K growth account. Let's see. Yeah. Let's go to my screen really quick, Colin. Thank you. All right, chat. You ready for this? Let's spin the wheel. 50K growth account. Whoever wins it, make sure to tag me in the chat, please. All right, the winner is Bogey Trades. Bogey. Hey, you
Look
won
at that
recently.
push up.
You won
Look at that
multiple
push up.
times recently, no?
Man, the same thing is happening to me when I do giveaways. It's like some people win like 2 or 3 times in a row.
Right. And then they go,
They
all
have
say
to be
it's
doing
rigged,
something.
But, I mean, no, it's not rigged. Nice, Bogey. I mean, you should have your email address added already because you won multiple.
All right, so we have our levels. We
That
have our
that was a crazy candle right here.
That was a crazy
levels.
candle.
Let's
The
see.
pullback
What are we gonna target?
to
What are we targeting?
39 is not going to be a bad play in my opinion.
Pull back to 39, you say?
Yep. On
What
that
would be
long
your
opportunity.
entry criteria for this one?
More based on inversion for value gaps, lower time frame model on from 930. Let's say 930, you use it as your manipulation fake out, and then create a bearish gap. If you were truly bearish, you should have held this gap in order to create new lows. Here, you will disrespect it in like 7 seconds. So this will be your covering area basically. So it's more of a 1 minute model rather than.
Gotcha.
I could buy one here. I'll buy one just to be in the trade. Just to show some presence.
You're in 1 mini?
No, 1 micro.
Oh, 1 micro.
I'll add to this position right here. It's just such a an insanely risky trade. I'll be in like 4 or 5, maybe.
All right, chat. Hamas in a trade.
I want to see that candle use this 932 high as stops and just run higher for like 100 points. I just want to be in one of those trades. I always tend to miss out on those. Miriam, every time I open the stream, she's up like 6K.
Yeah, well, but Miriam
Trading back.
she trades so differently.
Yeah.
You also gotta consider when she makes 6K, she usually makes that with like anywhere between 5 and 10 minis. So 6K with 10 minis is a 30-point move. But she knows, like the way she trades, she knows she can risk that much, and go for these plays. It works out for her. She's doing great. She's killing it.
Yeah. I mean, you build that with a lot of experience, in my opinion, to play those kind of trends.
Oh no!
Trailing the stops.
No.
You won't be able to do that in your first 2 years of trading. I will say.
We're gonna see if we can claw some of this back.
No, I mean,
I don't think it's happening.
somebody says walking Don Nick. No, Helsing.
I don't think it's happening.
I said until 10:45. I'm gonna walk for another hour here. And then
Miriam is not here. We miss her. Speaking of Miriam, you guys remember when I said that Miriam had the best hair, and then Nick was second. Literally the same day, we went on the elevator with the whole team to come back in the hotel, and someone said to Nick that he had gray hair, and I was like, Nick, I told you you had gray hair. He was like, all right.
That was funny. All right, I'm actually you gotta analyze the charts and talk about the charts because I'm creating that Google form for the step count giveaway.
All right. But just in one micro right here, I know the move's gonna be big. If we push above that 71,
Come
I'm gonna
on,
add to
down.
my position. It's like it's not my model that is
It's
forming
range today.
right now. It's
gonna range today?
a good confirmation of the one
Hoping
minute
it ranges
chart
today.
that is showing up before my model is showing. So
Uh-oh.
if we
Uh-oh.
break out and
Uh-oh.
we start forming bullish structure like this,
Uh-oh.
this will be my setup. I usually look for that setup.
Uh-oh.
So
We're gonna try to
this is
claw
when
some of
I'll
this
add, but
back,
this
man.
is just a starter. So you guys see basically the likelihood of us going back towards 71 is more than likely.
All right.
But rejecting the 60s here, I would want to see an up close candle above this. If we do have it, we'll most likely run all the way to those 90s. I would say 300 is going to be a big level.
Come on.
Just creating that form now. Done
Here we go.
shortly.
Here we go. Drop.
Yeah, first trade I'm going for more than a 1-to-1.
Drop.
There's like
I
some
think we get the
people
drop.
on
We're above.
Instagram, and they're like, yeah, this is not a good RR, or you
We're
should have
above
entered
the
here.
close of
When I
yesterday.
see those kind of comments, you should have entered
We
here.
are
It's like, are
also
you serious?
Love these
It's
people.
like
also
it's
the
like
session VWAP.
looking at a boxing match and being like, yo, you
We
should
did
have leaned when
bounce.
he threw a jab.
That session
Are you
VWAP.
you dumb?
Mid
like,
right
of
here at
course
actually
you-
it's our
you
opening range
didn't
though,
see
so
it.
it's likely that we
Of course
picked the
it's
wrong
not your
direction,
approach overall.
but we're gonna leave it in.
This is just a lack of
I
awareness. in my
just
opinion.
love the Insta trolls.
Yeah, but I think genuinely some people are serious when they
Ooh,
say
just smacked.
Oh yeah, big time.
that. The thing is, yeah, I think
All right, let's get ready
you
for.
can't always find a reason why you lost the trade. You know, even
See
if
what the
everything is
15
aligning
looks
together and it
like.
respects your plan perfectly, it doesn't mean that you necessarily did something wrong. No strategy has 100% win rate.
Okay.
Here's the thing.
Zero.
Okay, got a none.
Here's the thing.
We didn't even wait for it to
Nobody.
close. Uh-oh.
Who's making money
Uh-oh.
trading? Nobody would ever comment that on one of your posts.
Exactly.
Nobody.
I totally agree.
Right? Like everybody who's profitable, everybody who's making money with trading would never even think about leaving a comment like that. So just
I totally agree.
just by typing a comment like this, you basically out yourself as being not profitable. And we did just reject the previous month mid level there, 25.
Yeah, this is a big level. It's either we see a big squeeze or we just pull back. This is why I'm break even already on this trade. Was willing to see that 71 level acting as stops and make those few candles run to the upside, but doesn't look too good for now. We need to see
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
progression to the upside on that 952 candle, or we're gonna get
Might
stopped
take
out
the
to break
2K
even.
loss today.
Yeah, Patrick.
All right, so
You're
break
right.
even here.
Patrick, you're right. Everybody, just do what he does. Easy. Some people, I love how they're trying to figure out how fast I'm walking, what the speed of the treadmill is. Hey, you gotta count my steps.
Yeah, guys, I should have taken profits at 75.
Yeah, Amas.
I
why
should
did
have
you not
known
take-
that this
Why
candle.
did you not take profit there? Because
3,
look,
4,
it's so obvious
5.
that this
Let's go to
went
4,
down.
5.
Like, why did you not
Yeah.
take profit at 280?
Now the worst ones are like, why didn't you trail your stop and let the price go to the upside? And then if you get stopped out, they're like, yo, you should have taken profits, bro. Like, you're greedy.
We're gonna see what happens right here. We might pull out,
Humans.
take the loss for the day.
Yeah. It's like watching a blackjack game and your friend hits blackjack, okay, so ace and 10, and you look at him and you're like, bro, you should have bet the house on that. Like, what are you doing? It's literally the same thing.
Love it. And that's why I always say, like,
Mhm.
if I could have one superpower, I would love to see 5 minutes into the future.
Yeah.
Imagine
Crazy,
how rich you will be.
yeah, absolutely. Even one singular minute.
Yeah,
It's
even
good
one,
enough.
but imagine 5.
Nah, 5 is like you turn him into a millionaire in one day.
Dude, 5 is like you turn into a billionaire in one day.
You could definitely, yeah. I agree. Yeah, Patrick, you must. If only you stuck to your 1-to-1. Absolutely.
Wild Deuce is 234 says I tweeted at you, Nick.
Okay, open it.
Cool, thanks. Oh shit,
Think
B-Trade,
down.
You caught me.
I think we just got faked out at the
Uh-oh.
top there.
Uh-oh. They were pulling right back into the Asia range. Let's see. Back at 228 now on NQ. ES also pulling back into Asia high.
I love how this 15-minute candle is operating right now. It's just
Yeah, are you looking
showing
to...
me that price is gonna go to the downside. I just love it so much.
I just don't like that the 4-hour candle has literally swept the high and the low of the previous 4-hour now. So, me,
We might be taking the loss
not a
today
fan.
on this account. On this account. Who
Should you
knows?
take that into consideration when like the higher time frame has swept both ends?
To be honest, I know it could be a reason why I would potentially lose the trade. Okay, so this trade, when I get in, it doesn't have it's not an A+ setup. I know it. But when I'm trading with Tradovate, let's say I want to put in reps. I want to trade. You know, if it takes me, it usually takes
Preemptive.
me like 2 months to get a payout, 1 month and a half.
Preemptive.
If I'm too picky with my trades, it's gonna take me 7. You know, so like those B setups, they are really good setups. You know, they
I
tend
think
to
we
hit,
might actually be
and I would say
ranging
like
today,
being
so
too
I probably
picky,
shouldn't have done that.
will not necessarily.
And we're
make you
getting
more
ready to
profits.
hit session
You know,
VWAP. That was
we
probably
can make
pretty
the count
stupid.
and do the math behind it, but someone who has a 75% win rate but only takes 100 trades in a year,
Let's see.
compared to someone who takes 300 trades in a year but has a 65% win rate. The person who trades
Let's see.
with a 65% win rate will make more money with less risk. You need to put on more risk if you to replicate the same kind of results if basically you are trading that kind of system. So
Time is it?
True. I mean, look at look at Brett, for example. Brett took he posted on Twitter last night. Like he took 150K live account to $1 million within 13 trading days. 13.
It's crazy.
Like what the hell? What the
I
hell?
don't know how he did it, but it is 100% true. By the way, like I saw the account.
Doing Brett things. Just
They
doing Brett
showed
things.
me the account.
See, that
He
just
literally
bounced,
showed the account on
and that
stream.
was really
On
dumb.
stream, like on
To,
Friday.
to not get out.
That guy is he's on a different world.
Oh yeah, he's a market maker for sure.
Yeah,
I bet he's sitting right next to market maker Mario, just taking the same trades.
What a good name. That's a clean name, Market Maker Mario.
Yeah, he's an OG.
Oh, it's gonna fly a direction right now, and I'm hoping it doesn't go against me. I'm hoping I didn't mess up.
Yeah, money attracts
something.
All right, now it's starting to push down.
Gold is.
Come on.
Gold looks like it
Down.
wants to go for the gap fill. The opening.
Down.
The opening gap.
Down.
4166 down.
Let's
to
go down.
4127.
Down.
That could be an interesting draw for gold.
Punch down, please.
I would take this if this 4-hour candle actually, and this is funny because this 4-hour candle did sweep the previous 3 4-hour candle highs and is now showing very, very bearish signals. So for me, this would actually be a short here in 1 minute and 20 seconds. I just need a good entry on it. Let's see what we can get. Ah, you're good, Marco Maker Mario. I just said that you're a goat. You're a goat. Hey, nice living like Jess. That's awesome. That dude is printing every day. All right, 40 seconds until the 10 a.m. candle.
Yeah, it is displacing extremely aggressively to the downside right now. Really good opportunity to short, in my opinion, on the pullback to 174-ish, depending on how we close here. But if we do close strongly, it will be good short opportunity.
I'm looking at a gold short right now. I'm not taking it right when this candle closes. I would want to see a pullback first. I'm not going to just short the low here, but it certainly looks very interesting. I would want to see a pullback on gold to like 4182, and then I would take shorts. I'm still trying to claim out of drawdown from the account that you cooked on Friday.
Oh my god, man, I'm so sorry. Yeah, and people were like, but the clip was funny though.
The clip was hilarious.
Yeah, it was funny.
It was just an eval, it doesn't matter.
Because you had so much faith in me, I saw it. I was like, yo, Mas, you're gonna do well with that account. What's up with the account? Yeah, it's cooked.
Should have stayed in. We'd be going positive.
Trading in,
but we're only down 100, and I'm okay with that.
A lot of people who are also
okay
traders
with that.
is not a good idea.
No, brought some of that back.
With
on
like,
the laptop,
we are
hours of sleep.
positive on
like,
the other strategy account.
Not the best thing to do.
It was funny though. It was funny. All right, I said I'm waiting for a pullback on gold to then go short. By the way, let's set a new like target. Let's do another giveaway.
Good question. Amos, I tried to ask the other day, but the chat was too busy. If you're only taking a payout every 6 to 8 weeks, how can you make a living trading? Good question. Is if you put yourself in a position
all right,
where
we're positive that account now.
when you request a payout, it's an insanely
just had to do it.
amount,
just had to,
okay?
you know?
You will be able to live from trading. So this is why I say it's like, if you only trade with 150K growth, of course you can't live from it because the frequency of receiving those payouts is too low, basically. But if you put yourself in a position where you receive 15, even more, then you could definitely live from it. If that makes sense.
Boom. All right, so we made positive.
JD Florida man is asking, hey Nick, do you track
Luckily,
any of your fitness metrics? Have you seen any?
Because we were down like quite a bit. I don't even remember how much it was, but we were down quite a bit. It took a huge trade
and just general
to retake that
fitness, but it's not like
back.
It's just that I feel better if I hit at least 12K steps a day. I mean, it is exactly what Patrick just said. It is easy calories burned, and you just feel better, more energy. Using energy to produce more energy, basically. All right, there's the pullback on gold.
You have a personal account? Yes, I do. I do. The thing is, stop thinking that it's so easy to get a payout in 1 week. This is exactly the reason.
Right now it's going above
why
VWAP.
most people will blow their accounts.
Was this a bounce? Was it not?
Unrealistic results. They want unrealistic.
We will find out.
You know how hard it is to make 100% of your account, 150% of your account. It's not. It's not easy. Okay, it's not easy. So
True.
if you think like you're gonna make back-to-back payouts in 1 week, averaging 150% of your account by risking 10% every single trade, man, just get hired by the best hedge fund in the world at this point. Like you're averaging 1,000% a year, my brother.
By the way, I'm gonna take an NQ short here on this Hamas cooked account. With stop above.
It's still not blown.
Huh?
It's still not blown.
No.
Damn. Let's go. I like those shorts actually. Really good. I think that distribution will go back down all the way to 18. 118.
Going to session, trying to go for session lows.
Really good trade. Amos, will you live stream the AM session every day on Tradovate TV? Unfortunately, not. My segment is at 12 p.m. EST, so lunch hour. More of a calmer session, I would say.
Lunch and learn with Amos.
Lunch and learn, man. We speak trading. We have a little bit more time to speak, I would say, rather than trade, which is good.
Oh, it is
like
the right one. Oh, I guess you should have stayed into that up there.
Fxify, did any of you start with options before futures? I did, but I had no idea what I was doing. I literally lost all my money doing that.
I never traded options actually. I started with Forex though, CFDs.
Interesting.
But I was trading NAS 100, so NAS 100, S&P 500.
Okay, so you were already used to the movements.
Yeah, it was basically. Yeah.
Something I wanted to add to what you were saying before in regards to how people are trying to get a payout way too fast. It's funny because they're trying to get a payout within like a week or less than a week, but they're willing to work a job for like $3,000-4,000 a month, and they're getting paid like, it depends where you're at. You either get paid bi-weekly or you get paid monthly, right? This is so funny. But then you try to get a payout, like a $10,000 payout within fucking 3 days.
Exactly. So let me come back to the question someone asked.
By the way, I'm break even on risk-free on the trade now.
That was a really good reaction. Where did you answer actually?
My entry was 85.75.
Clean.
Like 80,
hopefully it just runs from here.
It has to. I'm not interested. If it comes back up, I'm not interested in this.
What do we do? What do we do? Are we trusting?
Definitely a good break.
Targeting 134.
Yeah, coming back to the question you asked me, let's say, how can you make a living with getting payouts in 1 or 2 months, 1 month and a half, 2 months? Usually it takes me 6 weeks, I would say, in general. The last one took me 6 weeks. And just think about it. For me, I live in Canada, so a 15K payout is $21,400 Canadian. If you average this every single month and a half, 2 months, you're making a pretty decent living. Okay, don't compare yourself to, okay, this guy's a millionaire from trading. He bought a Lambo from. All right, let's be honest.
What do you guys think? Kind of want to get more on this, but I don't know that it's worth it. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it?
Life situation.
What are we sitting at today in profits?
Properly, and you can't be.
We're actually negative for the week if we end here on the scalping.
Your life situation, your financial situation haven't changed yet.
We are moving back towards the up. So, do have a bunch of orders down at the bottom, obviously. Down in this area.
Living from trading is already hard enough, so don't even try to compare yourself to realistic results.
I don't know if you can hear what Eamon is saying. Amos is saying over there from Tradovate. I'm watching also over here.
Yeah. Definitely
still interested in gold shorts though.
I like those longs on NQ actually. If we close strongly around those 13s, 15s.
I'd reject the previous day high pretty perfectly.
We don't want to see. We want to see some upside in there.
Kind of confirmed my thoughts. Amos
Next
did.
trade I
as
will
far
take
as,
is most likely gold, or we get a reaction candle from.
Okay, so we
this
did bounce off
fragment
of
as the Jimmy
ATR.
test on NQ.
I mean ATR.
I'll tell you one thing that I learned, chat. With my few years, so 4 years in this business, the one quote that represents the business the most is, Nick, you tell me if you agree.
Let's see.
If you want to be rich, okay, let's say in the digital selling product thing, if you want to be rich, you gotta lie to the people.
So this is the area right here that we're hoping to get above.
To the people who want to hear the truth. And to be broke, you gotta tell the truth to the people who want to be lied to.
I love that. That's a
Listen
great quote.
closely,
I agree.
because are you the guy who wants to be lied to, or are you the guy who wants to make a living and wants to,
Come on.
let's say, feed
Anyways,
his family,
making a
and
living off of
scale up?
trading. So kind of
Smart.
what Mas was talking about. It takes him 6 weeks to pass.
love that.
That actually,
Fire.
I don't know if I was already thinking about like maybe I gotta
That is
worry
fire.
about
My
trying to,
favorite quote for trading
as far as the living
is trading is the hardest easy money you will
off
ever
of
make.
prop firm payouts. It's got to be
totally
likely more have to do with
I totally agree.
how long it takes me to take payout.
Looks like we're getting a reaction.
You
here
know,
from
not that
this
I've taken payout yet
FXRK.
or anything like that. We're on
I
track.
would say like this is a big area to
Likely
because I'm looking for longs, but
It could be 6
see
weeks if
myself
I
being
keep with the
squeezed in those
strategy.
kind of moments, exactly
Could be
right
2
here.
months, but let's just
Like
say
when
2
a
months.
candle
Every
flips
2
from being
months.
bearish to bullish,
So how
this
much
is
do we have to make
above
to
the
make a
opening
living?
price of the candle that you're looking at is
You
usually
know,
where
we're
sellers
probably
will
gonna get
step
hit
in
here.
to make
I
that
hope
candle
not.
flip
I
back
actually hope we
bearish.
bounce
You know what I
here.
mean?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, so like right here, right now
Ooh,
is a
it's not
good
looking good.
short opportunity. Let's say,
I'm actually taking the short again.
yeah, it's in my opinion, it's a good short.
Ooh.
Yeah, I
If
have
you
a
if you
10
get
point.
squeezed, it becomes a good long.
Yeah, that's true. I have a 10-point better entry than I had before. So let's see.
Looks like Nick's taking a bounce. Maybe I put my stop loss too close
Let's see.
here.
My entry was 25,194.
Is it bouncing
Beautiful
here?
trade.
What are we doing?
In my opinion,
Maybe. Let's see. You know, that's my second favorite quote in trading. It's not over until it's over. Goes in both directions.
thanks.
Sometimes it misses your stop loss by a tick, turns around and hits TP, and
Yeah.
sometimes it does the same at TP. Let's see.
Oh,
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go for a 1-to-1 on this because I don't want to be stuck in this trade if it flips too long.
son of a gun.
Target will be 163.50,
Trend line is there.
which is like 30 points. Damn. Virup, we're fading each other. Well, that happens. That happens.
Too close of a stop loss again.
Unique 9 Gaming, when do the giveaways start? Well, we already did give away an account. But let's set a new like goal, actually. Also, we're going to have the step count giveaway at the end of the show. So 10:45 in like half an hour. That's where everybody takes a guess. We're going to have a Google form that you fill out where everybody takes a guess how many steps I did since 9:35. And then the closest one gets a 100K Lightning funded account. But for the next 50K growth account, let's actually get to 470
Okay, we're
likes.
going for
Currently sitting at
full
385.
TP.
Come on, guys.
470. It's doable.
Come on, guys. What's the account we're giving away?
50K growth.
All right. Little
this
$100
trade,
here.
trade is making me work.
Yeah. I think you got
Scary
it.
here.
If this
Scary.
candle closes strongly, like I would never look for a long in those kind of candles at all.
Yeah, no, me neither. That's why I'm short. It's struggling there at the 180s.
Yeah, there's a buyer here.
Mm-hmm.
186.
Probably Brett. Brett just slapping on 100 minis.
What's his size actually?
Depends
Is
on the
it?
trade. I mean, the last trade I saw of him was 44 minis short. 44. Trading X Pen, at what time did I start walking on the treadmill? 9:35 a.m. Eastern time. So about, what's that, 40 minutes ago? All right, it is pushing down now. Nice. Nice. I'm going break even with my stop. Do not want to get caught in that if it flips.
Guys, I've just let my trade develop. I wasn't even.
Worst case, I make $15.
Okay, we're trying to scalp this back.
610.
Hearing Mike that
Ooh, that was close. That was close. Almost stopped me out break even again.
more profitable
Yeah, it's struggling actually.
Ah, it is.
letting
But it didn't get me yet.
like the trade.
Are you looking at other pairs sometimes? Sometimes I just look at RTY and
I mean, I
YM,
look at
and
YM
I'm like,
and ES
damn.
and gold.
And let it play out.
Ooh, is this an example of it's not over until it's over? Because it almost stopped me out. It got 1 point, actually 2 points from my stop loss. That would be funny because I actually used the example it's not over until it's over when I TP hit. Let's go. So that's funny, chat. That's really funny. When I made the example of it's not over until it's over, I told you before, like about 3-4 minutes ago. Sometimes it goes 2 points towards your stop loss, doesn't stop you out and hits TP. That's exactly what just happened. It's literally what exactly just happened. So, hey, first trade was a break even, second one was a winner.
Not gonna say it's nice to see.
We're up $630 on the day.
Patrick Justin said, haha, the way I'm
Okay.
said that he sounded like he was cheating on NQ.
Favor.
I swear, it was like, do you
think we
ever
just
look at other pairs?
hit a
Like,
zone.
it's pissing me off right now.
That are probably
That's funny.
I always come back to her though. I always come back to NQ.
Ooh, that was a nice TP hit as well. It's now recovering already. 30 points in seconds here. Damn.
There's
I'll
a lot
take
of
it.
chop, I would say, around like the first 15 in the last few days. A lot of accumulation.
Order filled.
Hey, Scooby Scalper. Hell yeah, just passed 3 evals. Golf clap. Well done.
Let's
Well
go.
done.
Order
Going again. Still at this trade.
order pin.
Well, yeah, Trader Manku, maybe. Maybe I have to say it's not over until it's over more often, and then it hits TP every single time.
Obviously,
all right. Let's see.
Marks
Can we
break this
Maybe.
awesome.
push down?
Today. Then the
It actually doesn't
You see
look
any
good for a
setups right
push
now,
down.
Amos?
point to further
No, actually, this 15-minute candle closed back inside the range of the previous one, but upwick is so big, we could find sellers here stepping in. So, don't want too long, don't want too short. The market is not telling me where it actually wants to go. So, sitting on my hands, I will wait. The bigger levels that I have right now are 111, 19, sorry,
Close.
right here, the sell side, which
Yep.
is pre-market low. Okay, I also have 280 and also 310. Those levels are big, and I'll be looking at hourly candles.
It comes
Are we
down to
closing above? Are we rejecting? Then I'll get my buys from that. Also 15-minute candles for sure.
All right.
I don't know what to do here. I want to scalp some more. It's kind of looking like an up, to be honest.
Let's see. It's struggling at 180s. It's just consolidating there for now.
You see this down here? That doesn't look good for the south. See the
How are you guys?
there's
doing,
some
chat?
levels here. Let me see if I can't
Anybody
show
made
this. See
money
how these
already?
levels here
Did anybody take that same
might-
trade that I took?
might go that direction.
Well, Jesse, tomorrow.
It's right above
the
here.
market is closed.
Yeah.
All right, so it took it. Took it.
Even Friday, is it a bank holiday? I didn't check.
Friday's just a half day.
Half day. Who's gonna trade on Friday? Are you, Nick?
I mean, maybe. I'll look at the charts, but not looking.
Keeps bouncing under
I
VWAP.
usually these days, like I expect nothing, and if I get something,
Come on. I'm actually just hoping for this so I can move stop loss in a good direction.
How many trades do you take in a day usually?
usually anywhere between like 2 and 5
2 and 5. damn.
on, yeah. But I mean,
It's hitting VWAP
average-
again. Come on, come
average, I would
down.
say 2.
Okay.
Come down.
5 is like the max. But if I have 2
Come
losers, that's fine.
down. Got 10 minutes. Come on, let's go.
And usually, what's your size on
Here we go.
your funded account? Like, let's say
we go.
150K growth, but you passed the eval already.
1 mini is what I trade.
1 mini.
Yeah.
But like, how much risk in general?
There
Anywhere
goes
between, like,
dropping.
15 and 30 points on NQ, so like $400 to $600.
Oh, okay.
So nothing
Okay,
crazy.
Yeah, it's nothing crazy. My risk is more than that, but I take less trades. That's
But
why.
you take more contracts, right?
Yeah, I take like $1,000 of risk usually
Okay.
because my frequency is low, and if I know I'm gonna average like 5-6 hours in a month,
Come on, come on, come on.
I'm
Oh,
letting some room
man.
also for mistakes, execution mistakes. Sometimes I'll just miss a setup because I will not be in front of the chart.
Mm.
I need to make back for that lack of trading in a sense by upping my risk.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
That's all we're hoping for.
I mean, we just talked about it before the show. Since you since you missed a couple days where you had winning trades, and where
Yeah,
you would have had winning trades, but you
It's
traded on
unlucky.
days where you had losing trades. It's obviously a losing streak. although-
Obviously, I should have stayed in there.
what
My
what
scalp
is
account
happening
would
right now is
probably be
since I
looking
took my
really good
payout
right now.
on- When did I take my payout actually? I think around
we
like
go.
1 week and
Here
a
we
half,
go.
2 weeks. I think almost 2 weeks. I didn't trade on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which were winning days for me in my strategy. Unfortunately, Monday and Tuesday of this week were losing days.
Alright,
for my
so one
strategy,
account-
now I'm on a 3-trade losing streak.
Yeah, we didn't. We're almost out of
Max
time.
size, But I should have been. One.
We just
So,
took the
definitely
$13.
unfortunate, but
Dahes.
our way back up. I'm always fine. I always find with taking losses. Really, I'm mad at myself if I don't respect my rules.
Yeah.
Like, I swear I could. It doesn't happen too often, but if I blow an account but I respected everything, and
Probably
my
should've
system is just
stuck
in
it
a
out,
huge
but-
loss streak, let's say, I'll
Mhm.
accept
You
it.
know.
I know that a win streak is
Oh
coming.
yeah, we
And
should have stuck it
to be
out.
fair,
Son of a gun, it's starting to come
I've been
down.
in a winning streak for so
It's starting
long.
to come down.
It's
Yeah, we
it's
only took the
insane. Like,
$13.
I barely lost in October. Like I barely lost in October. I had somewhat of a decent September. I blew up on that month though.
I never got into it.
But
Haven't
like
gotten into it ever.
June win streak, July win streak, August win streak, September meh.
Our scalp
October
account
win
just
streak,
had to
and
take a hit
then
today.
November, it's
It took the hit
pretty
today,
rough, I would say. But it's
unfortunately.
like I
But you
don't.
still had a payout though in November, right?
Yeah, in November I took.
Unfortunate.
I was up 3 hours, but I give it all back.
All right.
basically.
Yeah, okay.
I was up 3 hours
So-
to request the payout, so up 3K per account, 15K.
Very small
but
day
I would
today
say, like,
here. Strategy accounts.
This doesn't really affect me because I know most
are
of my
positive.
profits usually come from, I would say, like 5-6 months in a year. There is gonna be months where you're just gonna be up to
Scalp
5 hours
account
and you just
Yeah.
need to survive
is
the market
not
conditions. But it's just the fee to be trading your
good.
system in general, and that system will give you huge
Should
win
have
streaks.
stayed in.
and
That
huge
I probably
profits
would have broke
at certain
even here,
moments,
but
so,
we are actually
Yeah, this is how I
negative
see it. I just try to never
180.
compare myself to anyone. I have friends right now who are
One
in, like,
Oh, 6. Damn, we would have been really good on the other account. Oh well.
200K,
That's what
100K
happens.
profits. And,
Okay.
You know, of course,
So,
easy to look at your life
so
and be like,
on
"Damn,
the scalp account,
I could be doing that
we're
kind of
actually
those kind of
negative
numbers.
now
I'm
109,
not doing enough. But in
42
reality, I've
on
tried that. I've tried
our
to go the other way.
smaller
either switch
account,
strategies or
strategy account.
you know,
We
switch my
are
approach in
up
general. And
254
never ever found the same kind of consistency. You
for
just need to find the type of person that you are in
the
general. And for me, I'm more of
week.
the slow and steady guy. I don't know how you are, Nick,
34 cents.
as a person and how you like to manage your accounts.
We
I'm more
are
of the slow
up
and steady guy. I like to be
1,372.10
It takes me more months,
on
but
the
I don't
bigger
want
strategy
to,
account.
you know,
And the
spend
new one,
$10,000 to make 15. You know?
Yeah, no.
The
no,
new
I'm
one,
doing the same. I just
we
like to
are
trade a lot
up
of accounts.
82.
Yeah, exactly. Like for me, it's give me more accounts, but
So
you know, let me chill on
we
that.
are trucking along.
Hey, that's why.
It is a
Trade-
holiday
trade if I get a
weekend.
growth account.
I had it in my mind to go
Exactly.
ahead and
Easy.
not trade really,
Or like
unless it
me
was
now,
A plus setups. We
leave
almost got ourselves into a really big pickle
Yeah,
on
Patrick,
the big
you know,
account.
You know. Yeah.
Well, it drew down, took most of
By the way, I
our
have a limit
wins
sell
away
on gold at 4190
from yesterday, but
3 points
seems
for
to
me.
work out
Nico
fine.
said slow and steady, risking $1,000 per trade.
I'm getting ready to.
You're kind of right though.
Okay,
But
that
it's my approach. It's like
this
my
movement
risk to
here
reward
makes me
is
feel
low,
like there's going to be
so my
more
win rate
upside.
is high.
So we aren't
And
gonna put a
also
short
my
end, but we
frequency
are
is low,
hitting
so
a.
the only way for me, it's exactly the same thing as you taking 2 trades in a
You
day
see that?
with $500 of risk, but
Here
me
it
taking
is.
1 trade
Here
every
it
single 2 days, but with
Here we
$1,000
go.
of risk. It's the same thing. You have to make up for that lack of frequency. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's not a. If you think, let's say, risking 1,000 is like not being slow and steady, I would disagree. I would disagree because my win rate is pretty high. But of course, if like I had a risk reward of like 1 to 3 and I was risking 1,000, it wouldn't make a lot of sense, to
That'd
be
be a
honest.
fake. That a fake breakout move.
True.
Even 500 is too much. If you're talking about like the live account perspective, I would agree. But with the amount of leverage Tradovate is giving us, this is my approach. You know.
Patrick is asking Nick why sell order at 4,194.5. Where's the logic? Well, very simple. We have a
Yeah, I
4
think
hour.
I think that's it.
4 hour to 50
I think
minute.
that is where we
fractal
are.
model setup. And actually,
for
what
the
I found
day.
out, Patrick, you're gonna be interested in this. 4
Scalp
hour
account,
15 fractal model
not
setups
so pretty.
tend to go and retest.
We are within
the
our
CISD and
normal
then reject
loss.
CISD. So this is
Our
an
week is
aggressive
pretty
entry where
negative
I
now
literally
on
just
that,
take
but
the
we didn't
entry
really get
once the
anything good
CISD is
yesterday
retested, and that is at
and the day before.
4.94.5.
So you know,
Right?
negative
So I'm just
9 is not
taking
bad.
that
We
short
had a
right at that
four-
retest with stop above the high
$461
of the
dollar
fractal model Chem
week
2.
last
And
week.
yeah,
So
that's the whole
only
trade.
giving back 109 of that.
That's
It's
what I have
not
to
too
say.
bad. Still have Friday to worry about tomorrow. I don't think things are open.
So let's see if we can get it. By the way, chat, we said 455. No, wait, what did we say? Can't remember. 485? I said 485. You remember, Amos? For the like count? Wait, I can't hear you anymore. You're muted.
Oh, sorry. I don't remember exactly.
I think it's 485. So chat, if you haven't already, make sure you smack the like button, get us to 485 likes, and we're going to do another 50k growth account giveaway. And also, in 15 minutes, we're going to do the step count giveaway, where everybody takes a guess at how many steps I took since 9:35 a.m. And then whoever is the closest wins a 100k Lightning Fund account. That's a giveaway that needs some skills.
There's a 30-minute fractal model. Thank you. Do you like it?
Let's see.
Paul's got some already from
Short or long?
Long.
paddle.
Oh, right now it's
Well, it's a 3-minute, a 5-minute, and a 15-minute fractal model on ANQ.
yeah.
Funny enough, that's the one I traded already. That was the reason for my, not the 3-minute, but the 15-minute was the reason for my
Are
short
we bouncing?
on ANQ.
Okay, but do you consider that long right
Don't
here
know.
that we have? So like that 30-minute sweeping
don't know.
the low,
No.
closing
I
the
don't know if we're bouncing.
I mean,
I want to
the
take
reason why,
it
the reason
long
why
here.
not is simply because we're in a chop zone right now,
Okay.
and I would anticipate the move out of the chop, and that is just so hard to predict.
Okay.
We're gonna give it a go. We're gonna hope that
Let's
we don't
see.
take more
Gold
losses.
is getting closer to that entry. Refresh the like count really quick.
And then we're gonna head off to work.
Gold to just fill me.
Come on, get up there. Get up there.
And
Get
we're gonna
up
go
there.
for a 1-to-1. I mean, a gold short entry was 4194.5, and
I don't think
up at 4209.
think we're giving more back.
Target at 4179.8.
Oh no, we're in two. We're in two contracts.
Let's see.
Okay, that little spike there.
Yamil, no.
Ah,
Project
come
X
on.
Right now. So it's not down.
Not
Yeah,
ooh.
This is
Obviously.
what I was gonna say. It's like it's not done.
I'm literally trading live on stream.
Up Yamil. Yamil Young Degen Trader.
Come on.
Yeah.
Those
That
names
guy.
are killing me.
The slowness that it's taking to fill these
That guy.
You guys,
and the
it's Project
speed
X.
that they come
Platform
down,
is
it makes
called
me feel like it's gonna
Project
come down.
Yes.
I see too many T words.
Yeah, well, for them it's down apparently.
Oh, okay, I guess.
But Project X,
I don't
Tradovate
trust
X
it.
is working.
Tradovate X.
Yes. What time does the step counter stop? At 10:45. So in 13 minutes.
I don't trust it. Probably should have. All right. 73.14.
Let's see.
Do you guys have the same approach on evals, or you go more aggressive? I mean, I explained
All
that
right, so
last
only
time. I think
101.
trading evals is good in a sense to put in reps and to get comfortable with your strategy, get better, etc. But
Yeah.
when you are
Anyways, I have
say
to
hit
go.
another level as a
Peace,
trader
all the
when you've
loves.
been trading
We
for
did get to
4,
be
5, 6,
positive
7
on our
years,
strategy.
and you really
Overall, it
have a
looks like
profitable strategy. You know your
our
approach works,
strategy
you have the
account.
data behind it, then you have to deal with
Well,
something
last
called
week
opportunity
just
cost. So the cost
I
of
don't know
you
what's going
not
on over there.
trading to
Last
get a
week
payout
we did better on our
on the road to
scalp
get a payout right now.
and this
Like,
strategy.
let's
We
say you
took a
buy
really big
a growth
loss.
account, it costs you
We lost
$97.
control
Um,
that
then
day.
you may think
We lost
that
control Monday
if you don't
last
buy,
week.
so basically there is two possibilities.
This technically
Possibility
would
number
probably
one
be a little
is
less as
you buy
well.
a $97 growth account.
I think we got
And
saved
possibility
there.
number two
But
is you
strategy
buy
account wise
a
on Monday we
$310
went crazy.
lightning funded account. Okay, this
We
would be a growth. Like by
uh
buying the growth account, you might
on
think that you're
the
saving
scalping we did really
$210,
well.
but if you
Oh,
pass that
look, it
growth
did
account,
go up.
you literally
Interesting. Man.
missed out on $3,000.
So here's an
So,
opportunity.
like, the real math
Here's
behind
just
this
something.
is you didn't save
We're
$200,
barely
$210,
sticking
let's
in
say. You missed out
on our scalp
on
accounts.
2,000
Right now on our
900
scalp
or
account,
2,000
we
800,
are
you
not
know?
staying in.
But
We're
to
not
be fair,
trusting the
that only
trade.
works if you know what you're doing and you actually
And
you don't blow the
see,
account.
we would be
Just
out
get into a
twice
payout.
now.
For sure. If you
Twice now, we would have been
let's
back in the
say
positive.
in the best
So,
case scenario, this
in
is the
reality,
math
I
behind,
think
the
I have to be
accounts.
okay with the loss
Like for
that I
me,
have already,
I prefer the lightning
and just keep that as a
because
minimum
personally,
loss. Not
I
that
know
big of a
that
deal.
if I'm
It
in a
is
win streak, I want to
173,
capitalize on that win streak.
pretty close to my
It's just, these
normal
are just the
max
best accounts for me.
loss.
By
We
far,
were playing, we were
Yeah, but
flirting
you know
with
what
it.
you're doing.
Yeah,
We're ready.
exactly.
We could have clawed some of it back, but
All right, you know what? Like count, I don't even care anymore. Let's do a 50k growth account giveaway.
Let's go.
it's just is
I'm
what it
gonna
is.
send you guys the link to the Google form. For those of you who just filled it out already because you saved it, I'm gonna delete
We're gonna
you.
do the giveaway. We gotta go though.
Link to the Google form is incoming. You gotta like the stream, you gotta subscribe to the channel, and fill out the form once. If you have filled it out before, I deleted everybody, so you have to fill it out again. Keep that in mind, okay? Here we go. Only fill it out once. If you enter more than once, you will get disqualified. By the way, if anybody asks where the Google form is, you will get banned for 10 seconds. Actually, you know what? No, for 1 minute.
So,
All right, Patrick, you get the first. You get the first ban. Congrats. 1 minute ban for Patrick.
dang, having that
Where's the form? Jayhawk. Okay.
would
you
have
get
been
banned too.
nice, but we gotta go.
1 minute. Done.
Wait for the
Boom.
giveaway.
Ammo
Missed it.
assets. Boom. 1 minute ban. That's just trolling.
Start
man.
closing this stuff
Yeah,
out.
but-
That's kind of crappy though, cause on our
Yeah, it's 2K drawdown, Kevin. 2K drawdown, 3K profit
174.
target, 2K payout.
And it's end of day drawdown.
I think we're
which
down
is
on the week
End
on
of
our
day
other
drawdown.
obviously sick.
account, one of our other accounts.
Yeah, man. These are just the best for me.
See if I can't find
Zero.
out real quick. What's today?
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 more seconds to fill out the form. 30 more seconds. And then I'm gonna pick a winner for the 50k growth. And at 10:45, so in like 8 minutes, we're gonna give away 100k lightning funded. But we only do it, or like the person gets it that guesses the step count. But I'll explain in a second how that works.
I think.
No, wild uses 234, you're not banned. Welcome back, Patrick. All right, cool. Let's pick a winner. 50k growth account winner. Gonna copy everybody over here. Let's see.
Everybody else.
Yeah, we're down $50 on a different account that we just aren't tracking.
Gonna pull up the wheel of names really quick. 1 sec.
Overall, though, we're down 174. We
All right,
clawed
here we
that
go.
back from 1,300.
Here we go. The winner
Ready
of
for this
50K
giveaway?
growth account. And tag me in the chat, please, if it's you.
Oops.
The winner is SS Kai. Hey, SS Kai, congrats! You just won a 50K
Congrats.
growth account. Make sure to type something in the chat.
Okay, giveaway is over. We're gonna check our Ninja Trader real quick. We're gonna close out. the
Hey,
Airbnb.
Cody,
We
what's
have
up,
to
man?
go.
I haven't seen you in a while. SS Kai, all right, cool. I see you in the chat there. So make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And oh, I see it's already there, so that is great. We're gonna send you your account within the next 7 days, so please be
All right, cool.
patient.
Everything came back up like it should.
Be a 50K growth. Congrats. We're gonna give away a 100K lightning funded account here in a couple minutes, so
Damn.
you in chat. Stay tuned. All right, what is NQ
All right,
doing?
that is it for the day.
It's
All the love.
Pushing to the upside.
Thanks,
I
guys.
respected
Thanks for
that
stopping
30-minute
in.
frame rate pretty
Peace.